person doesn't come with a diagnosis, they come with a problem or with symptoms.
We've had questions from, are you sure their color is good? You know, are their teeth growing in well?
When you hit 50, things can happen.
Even though you are a teenager, you can still have concerns.
When they come to see their physician or their caregiver, they want to know, why do I feel the way that I feel?
I had been diagnosed with hypoglycemia. They told me that if I didn't watch my eating habits, I would probably someday end up with diabetes, and I just kind of went into denial.
I think one of the reasons that prevent people from coming to a clinic to see a doctor is there's a lot of barriers.
Why come to a family health team? Because here you'll find a team of professionals who work together to provide you and your family with a comprehensive range of healthcare services. Why a team? To make sure that whatever your health concern, we will provide the primary care you need or guide you to the right service. We will also work with you so that you can develop and maintain a healthy lifestyle. After all, an ounce of prevention goes a long way.
Patients in Charlotte Lake get the care that they need in their own community. They don't have to drive to Kingston or to a specialist clinic.
Instead of having to travel all these other areas, we're bringing physicians and specialists from the city here.
We can offer them different services within the same center.
It covers so many different elements of the health.
Between the doctors, the nurse practitioner.
From heart specialists to
a psychiatrist, we have a social worker.
Full-time diabetic education nurse and a full-time dietitian.
So we've got everything right on site in benefit for the patient.
They're not shy in telling you that they're really excited and like what they're doing.
The team as a whole has far more knowledge and skills than any one individual member of the team.
You've got a lot of different minds coming into it.
It's like having two heads are better than one.
They don't limit themselves to one person. As a team, they work really well.
I'm able to share informally some of the concerns that my patients have.
We are able to communicate because of the electronic health records.
The electronic medical record is a real huge part of our care here. It compiles all of the patient's information.
It's almost magical that this little glass screen gives us access to our whole patient database.
The other great thing is when we do a blood test.
We can draw blood from a patient this afternoon. Courier picks it up, it's in Belleville tonight.
Then that result is in the computer overnight and I have it the next day. So there's a really fast turnaround time for lab results.
You always get your answers very quickly from this team.
Each person is treated individually.
Part of our job is to help them tell their story.
And I help assess and develop and plan based on the individual needs.
And the goal is to provide the most and the best care to the patients, and as a team, we can do that better.
They pull together and just make you feel like family.
This is what collaborative care is.
We are offering the best possible health care that we can.
And that's really our goal, is to prevent as many diseases as possible, to keep people healthier.
And so that's what gets me going every day, is knowing that I'm going to be able to help people.
I found now that by taking the medication and listening to what the doctors say, and especially the diet, because I've lost about 35 pounds, when I'm out with my grandchildren, we can actively do things together.
I can go to them just about any time for any questions or concerns that I might have.
They just make you feel at home.
They're wonderful.
Friendly, knowledgeable.
And they have taken me from start to finish and said, you know, if you look after yourself, you should be around a long time. It feels good.
If you have concerns about your health or a chronic condition, or you want to reduce your weight, quit smoking, get a better night's sleep, or reduce stress at work and at home, this website and members of a family health team can support you in achieving your wellness goals. Please visit an FHT now. You owe it to yourself.